Very good. Now, you think I got where I am today because I dressed like Peter Pan here? Forget about it. Okay, now watch this, everybody.
Alright guys, welcome to Gavin's Garage. Today we're going to kind of continue on what we were talking about the other day with kind of clean up some of this chrome. I actually use Blue Magic metal polish chrome cream. It actually seems to work really well as far as getting out the little dirt marks. I always recommend, of course, washing everything first. Putting that on there. Whoa, don't cake it on like that. Oh, cow. That's a lot to put on there. Of course, I always like to go over it with a little bit of water and a little bit of 4-0 steel wool and water. Kind of gets the rough stuff out, if there is any. Just buff that in there really well. I usually use two different towels. I use one, put it on with, and then a clean one. Normally terry cloth. I don't have a bunch of these set aside. I do a little bit of an area, let it sit for a little bit, and then come back with my clean towel here. Of course, I got a big glob right there because my dumbass put too much on it right away. But when you do that, it makes it hard to try to polish it out there. I've been really fortunate with this. I really haven't had to clean it a lot. One of the things that I do plan on doing though is changing this air cleaner to one that kind of comes out and bends forward. We'll see when I get that. We'll do a video of how to put that on and kind of watch my mistakes, and if I screw anything up, you guys can sure let me know. That's why we make that comment section. Like, hey, dummy, you can do it easier if you do it this way. Yeah. It's one of the reasons why I like chrome. Yeah, it's a little bit more work, but it actually cleans up fairly easy. Like I said, I really haven't only, I polished it at the beginning of the season, and then I really didn't have to do it again with just washing it and stuff and clean it right back up. Make sure you dry your chrome off really well. You don't want to leave any water spots on it. I almost went for a ride today, but weather really wasn't that cooperative here. Here in the Northwest at this time of year, it tends to rain a lot. I'm not a big fan of riding in the rain. I seem to work in it all the time. I really don't want to ride in it too. I know some of the YouTubers out there, Shade Tree, Flipknot, those guys down there in Florida have a lot of good weather, even this time of year. I don't know if they're listening, but they are. One of these days I'm going to make it down that way. Hopefully get to go to a ride with you guys. Alright, that just kind of shows you just how easy it is to clean this stuff up. Not a whole lot of work. We'll talk to you next time. I'd like to thank you all for stopping by. Make sure to subscribe, watch this other video up here, and we hope to see you soon. Lots of new content coming.